Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. Hope you're all well. So we'll start off with one of the new TLP pigments. This one is Waterfall. Really pretty blue. I did actually put a little bit of TLP Indigo Waves in this as well, because what I was using it for, I wanted it to have a little bit of a gold shift in it as well. So it isn't actually the true blue. This is Waterfall mixed with Indigo Waves. Very pretty blue. Another of their new ones. This one is Deja Vu. Beautiful. It falls in between. It's one of their neons, so this one isn't sparkly. It falls in between TLP Funk and TLP Hustle, which are both neons too. So it's sort of magenta-y violet, neon magenta violet colour. Really deep and luscious, gorgeous. This is a mix of, should have mixed it up first. It's been standing a couple of weeks. So you always need to mix well because they do separate. This is Golden's Cobalt Teal mixed with mixed with Matisse Aqua Green Light. Oops, sorry, not showing you in the camera. Is that a lump? All my colours will be listed in the description box below, and this is another golden colour. This is the Iridescent Gold Bright Gold, and Amsterdam Greenish Blue. My cell activators, I think I'm going to use two. It's mainly Amsterdam titanium white, but I did put, it's actually probably 2 parts Amsterdam titanium white to 1 part Atelier Tinting Pearl titanium white, mixed with Australian Floetrol. No reason, I just like to mix it up and change what I'm using, just all experimenting. And this is Atelier Rich Gold, again mixed with Australian Floetrol, nothing else added, just Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. So I'm either going to be working on a 12 by 16 canvas or a 16-inch round canvas, because I'm hoping to do 2 with the same colours. So I will use the same intro for both of them. So we'll see how we go. Let's get messy.
All I need from you Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd do anything you want me to, 'cause I love you.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know.
I think I've got a new favourite colour combo. Look at these colours together. Wow, so pretty. And I like the composition of it too. It would have been nice on an even larger canvas, so I hadn't have, you know, lost it over the edges. So maybe that's something I'll do in the future, but I always like to leave negative space. I like my negative space. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already, and then you'll know when I put out a new video, and please share. And everything you need to know will be listed in the description box below. Click on the video title to easily access. So thanks for being here with me, guys. I really appreciate you all. And everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, thanks.